In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 404 errors using Rank Math 404 Monitor plus redirects. 404 errors happen when someone lands on a page that doesn't exist, and they hurt both user experience and SEO. The fastest, most reliable fix is to track those broken links and point them to the right place with a proper redirect. We'll do that entirely inside WordPress using Rank Math. Start at your WordPress dashboard. Open Rank Math SEO and go to Dashboard. Look for the 404 Monitor module and switch it on. If you don't see it, make sure Advanced Mode is enabled in Rank Math so this feature appears. Once it's on, Rank Math will begin recording visits to pages that return a 404. Next, go to Rank Math SEO and choose 404 Monitor. You'll see a list of recorded 404s. The URI column shows the broken URL path, hits tells you how many times people or bots have tried to visit it, and access time shows when it was last hit. Higher hit counts usually deserve attention first, since those affect more visitors. When you're ready to fix one, hover over the problematic URL in the list and click Redirect. If you prefer, you can also go to Rank Math SEO, then Redirections. Rank Math will open the redirection tool with the 404 URL already filled in as the source URL. In the destination URL field, paste or type the page you want visitors to end up on. Choose the closest relevant page, such as the updated version of the content, a category page, or your homepage if nothing else fits. Avoid pointing a redirect to another URL that already redirects, so you don't create a chain. For redirection type, select 301, which is a permanent redirect. This signals to search engines that the content has moved for good and helps transfer ranking signals. Activate the redirect and save. From now on, anyone visiting the old URL will automatically land on the new destination instead of seeing a 404. A quick tip: test the old URL in a new tab or a private window to confirm it resolves correctly. If your site uses caching, clear it if you don't see the change right away. Repeat this process for other 404s in the list to tidy up your site. That's all there is to it. By enabling the 404 monitor and creating accurate 301 redirects, you'll fix broken links, preserve SEO value, and give visitors a smoother experience.